It should right here. Hear it is personal sound amplifier for better hearing. Like a little Bluetooth.
I will hear you and still don't hear you.
You hell we buy it for this.
We're gonna go ahead and pick up the rest of the things we need. I'm not gonna be on here too long because they're playing music and he jamming. You're blowing my mind, maybe in time, maybe I can get you in my ride. Oh, two models. Hey guys, it's me, Key, here back with another video. How's everybody doing today? Huh? What you say? You okay? You sure? Y'all, so that's Kayla. She almost fell. Hi everybody, hope everybody's having a good day. Today is Friday, November I think it's the 18th today. I think it is. Yep, it is Friday, November 18th. I know y'all see my face. I did my makeup today. Everything looks pretty good, I might say. Me and Babe were going to go out on a double date, but we kind of changed our minds and said we're gonna just cook at the house and kind of watch a movie on the couch with some wine and kind of just do like a chill vibe. Don't mind that. I'm actually in the cabinet trying to figure out, you know, things we need because I'm about to go to the grocery store in a little bit and pick up the things that we need so I can refill that cabinet up. I have to braid Kayla's hair this weekend. She's standing behind the camera shaking her head no, but it's gonna get braided. Y'all gave her the choice. I said, Kayla, do you want me to silk press your hair or do you want to get braids? She chose braids.
No,
you chose braids.
No, I'm trying to actually choose.
What you choose?
To get my hair straightened, but then I can say no.
Come this way. Come this way. Cause she's talking at y'all back, not she at the front. Okay.
I said that I wanted to get my hair straightened at first, but then I said if I get it straightened, then this one have to get it braided, so I chose braided after.
Okay, so you chose for it to be what? Braided.
No, I chose it for it to be straightened. Then I chose for it to be braided.
So you want me to take the time to straighten your hair, that after doing so, maybe like a week later before you go back to school, you want to braid it?
It's going to be too long.
Exactly. So why we just don't braid it? Hey guys, so we are in Walmart. Ben Kiss got back. He's getting his glasses tightened. So I'm kind of annoyed. I left the house without taking a picture of the doggone list the grocery list I was making. The grocery list. I got a dry erase board on the refrigerator, and I usually write everything on, and I forgot to take a picture of it. So I'm gonna have to go off the top of my head. This is honestly the second time I did this in Walmart. I want to go down like their I see like some deals of stuff that they got on sale like for Black Friday over there, so I kind of want to check that out. You good? Okay. You know. What?
All of you be tuning me out. It should right here. Hear it is personal sound amplifier for better hearing. Like a little Bluetooth.
I will hear you and still don't hear you.
You hell we buy it for this.
Exactly.
And cold as fuck.
And my hand cold.
Yeah.
He said his side was hurt, so I went to touch it with my hand. You ain't gotta look at me like that.
I ain't in the right sense.
Y'all, we in the cookie. Y'all trying to get some cookies for the kids. You still got your nose tuned up at me. It cold. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the rest of the things we need. I'm not gonna be on here too long because they're playing music and he jamming. So let's go ahead and get the rest of the things that we need. So we jamming right now. Kayla said hi. That's her. Y'all hear her? That's Kayla. So that's that.
It was a good shot though, man.
It was, and we was able to get everything upstairs. Y'all, we live up 3 flights of stairs, so everything we buy, we gotta bring them up 3 flights. So I said it's good exercise because I've been trying to, Babe's been helping me and teach me how to weight lift now.
Right.
So, and I did get a chance to do that, so toting the bags up wasn't bad.
I mean, it was bad for me. We just did it yesterday.
Yeah, and we did it again today. So I guess I worked out twice today. Go me. Oh. And I had my oatmeal and blueberries and 3 eggs this morning, getting that protein in. I did that. But guys, let's us get together and we're gonna get back right with y'all.
Look at the situation and they got me facing. I can never know like to do it right. What can I say? I'm 23 down.
I have on like this 2-piece set from Fashion Nova. It's like leggings type of material, crop top. It has like a split on the side right here, and it ties up, and it kind of like a drawstring right here and here. And it's like a slit down there as well, with also the same drawstring. And it got like little ruchings on the side right here. And I also have on my Broly socks, Dragon Ball Z anime fan. So I have those on, and I just put on my butterfly necklace and just some earrings. Got some hoops on. But yeah, so I'm comfortable. I'm about to go ahead and check on the potatoes because they are in the oven. But this is a cute fit or whatever. I like it. It's real comfortable. Why that light on in the hallway?
Hey there.
Turn the light off in the hallway, buddy. Don't take me there.
Hey there.
You don't even know what the heck is. You got to pay the way. Just a short break, make it come your way. You're blowing my mind, maybe in time. Maybe I can get you in my ride.
Oh, it's false. You had recorded yet?
Yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all see him? Y'all seen him?
Why you in that chair? Yeah, no.
Y'all seen it here first. This is not a drill. This is not a lie.
Yeah.
Y'all seen it with y'all eyes.
Yeah.
Y'all
Easy
seen
now.
it.
Easy
They done
now.
seen it now. They done seen it now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You fine. You getting in it. You been getting it. Yeah. He supposed to be giving me a sobriety test.
All right, yeah, back to
Because
that.
we took shots.
Back to that. Back. All right. I'll come in now. All right.
Oh my God.
Now. Toe to toe. Walk toe to toe to the camera. Like that, and then toe to toe.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
You did. Alright, ready?
You can't do it? Why you can't do it?
My balance already fucked up.
Oh man, you was
I'm
doing
tipped.
it, Jay. I think we're gonna come back to this tomorrow to see if it's just his intoxication tonight. Or is his equilibrium really off?
Probably not. But not.
We shall see.
I ain't know.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think that he is intoxicated. That's what I think. That's exactly what I think. And I think the verdict is correct.
Why?
Because you almost bust your ass over that couch just now. Y'all seen the leg? I'm gonna rewind that back.
A leg had pop up?
It did.
It did?
Yep. It did.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
No,
It did. It did. Hey y'all. So it's like 11:21. I was looking for my selfie stick because I'm holding it up by my hand right now, but yeah. So me and babe are about to get ready for bed because I'm beat. I know he's beat. And we tired, honey. We are tired. And then I need to figure out if Cameron has a robotics club meeting tomorrow morning. Because I kept texting in the little group chat, but I did not get an answer back. So I don't know what's up with that. And then I also brought treats for the concession stand. So I really need to find out what's going on with that. So we'll figure that out in the morning, hopefully. But everybody is still off to themselves. Cameron is asleep. Everybody else is still up. Other two boys, Kareem and Kaden, they playing the game. Kayla's on the iPad, just chilling, watching TV. I think me and babe are about to go ahead and watch a movie, guys. And I'm eating some animal crackers. I don't know what it is, but lately I've been munching down on animal crackers. I think it's the kid in me.
Yo, old lady, what you talking to people?
Mm-hmm.
What's up, people? Tell y'all about how animal cracker binge. Yeah, it's good.
Man, how was dinner?
It was good. It was real good. I don't even eat steak. It was good. It was good.
It was.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, you welcome, man. It was good. We got full, man. Fast. But yeah, guys. So we talk to y'all in the morning. We tired, boss. We tired, and we about to watch a movie. So see you guys in the morning. Morning. Lisa, babe, in the morning. In the morning. All right.